Hi everyone! Today I will review about JATLAB's product. The package includes shampoo, hair pack, hair mask, empower and mist. So I have my hair dyed last week into this new color, and during the process, the hair designer in the shop used these products, and I really like it. I like the smell, I like the feeling when the products were applied into my hair, so I decided to use it more after dyeing. So I have been using this for a week, and today I make this video to review about this. First, about the shampoo and the hair pack. These products, first is the treatment product, but it doesn't have the normal shampoo smell or the chemical smell. The smell is very girly and very soft, very sweet. I really like it. And second, it make our hair really smooth, and um, what I like is it make the hair smooth and have enough nutrition but not too greasy. You know that in Korea in the winter it's very dry, but in the summer it's still very hot and humid. So when I use previous products, sometimes my hair get greasy and very oily, but this product doesn't have that side effect. Today I washed my hair and I used these products, and I went out for all the day, and now it's almost 11 p.m. but you still can see that my hair is very soft and smooth and not greasy at all. It's the very natural hair. I didn't do anything. And the next one is the hair mask. So if we apply these products for like 30 minutes, our hair will become really smooth. It's like silky. It's very silky. And about empower, it will make our hair less dry. It gives the nutrition and the enough humidity for the hair, and it makes the hair soft and smoother. And the mist, I really like it because it smells really good. This mist really smells like perfume. So in among these products, the shampoo smell is also very good. Other products don't have too strong smell, so you don't need to worry that other people can smell the shampoo smell from you, because when you use these products and if you use the mist, what other people can feel is just the perfume smell. So that's what I like. After a week using, my hair is very soft and smooth now, and not greasy, not dry, and have good smell. So I intend to use this product more, and I will review you again after a month using this. But I really highly recommend this product for you because you can use it in hot and dry or humid in all seasons. It will be good for your hair in all seasons. I really highly recommend this. Thank you.